Welcome back, Miss Oakley. How's your family doing?
Hey, Ed. They're all right. Just a few health problems. Just pray for them. You been reading my devotional?
You betcha, Miss Oakley. In fact, let me read you today's devotion. I'm now on devotion 56. The children of Israel had done the most unthinkable of things. They brought the Ark of the Covenant out of Shiloh to the battlefield against the Philistines. They were counting on it to give them victory, but they quickly found that would not be the case. 1 Samuel 4:10. And the Philistines fought, and Israel was smitten. They fled every man into his tent. There was a very great slaughter. For there fell of Israel 30,000 footmen, and the ark of God was taken. And the 2 sons of Eli, Hophni and Phinehas, were slain. 30,000 men dead. The ark of God taken. The 2 sons of Eli slain. Things could not have turned out much worse at all. But remember that the problem that caused it all was not an out there problem. It was an in-here problem. Things were not right in the house of God, and that very specifically is the reason all of this disaster took place. That is a sobering warning for today, don't you think? When you consider things like unfaithfulness and unholiness and prayerlessness, it is evident that the church of today has its own issues to deal with. Do realize that what happens in the world largely depends on what happens in church. And what happens in the church depends on you.
A mighty powerful lesson for the church, I'd say.
Indeedly-do. Well, if you're ready, I got a horse and cart to take you back to town.
That's very kind of you, Sheriff.
Until next time, folks.